Arwaru aria marabatara guthinjwo na aria ni amemba insurance ya NHIF riu ni megukorwo magikenerera utungata mweru kuma kuri kigina giki. Arwaru aria marabatara guthinjwo marithaitagirwo na gatagati ga ciringi 80,000 nginyagia 130.
Surgeries in level 3 and 4 healthcare providers, which will be covered to a maximum of 80,000, and in levels 5 and 6 healthcare facilities up to a maximum of Kenya shillings 130,000 on pre-authorization basis. Specialized surgery will be covered up to a maximum of 500,000.
Oroho NHIF ni ikirite mukonde ati ni rurumbuyagia kigina kia atumia kuheo ciana hatari marihi. Ni mutumia wothe ugukenerera utungata uyu ona mbere ya yandikithitie na kigina giki.
They will be issued with the National Hospital Insurance Card, unlike before when the county governments will just pay the cost. These people will become our members, and they will also, more than just the benefit of the free maternity care, from then on they will be members of NHIF and they will access other healthcare services.
Kigina giki hau kabere gikoretwo gikiramatwo ni thirikari cia county na gikoretwo gikirehe ndugamano gatagati ga thirikari ici na area nene. County ikoretwo ikiorota thirikari nene na kuga ndirarekereria mbeca cia utungata ucio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.